I rewind it. Reset what the sound effects were.
Oh, you could reset everything. You
Probably,
could have
yeah.
custom models on guns.
It could just be like a fart every time you shoot it.
Right.
And it flies by someone's head.
You have just naked characters running around.
Is this the Origin 12? Yeah.
Oh, dropping. Who's
Who's
dropping? I don't see nobody.
Anybody
Somebody
on
dropped.
the
Fuck, he
top
might
of
be
the
on the
towers?
towers.
Anybody got a heartbeat?
No.
Oh, yeah, I do. Oh, yeah, he's on the top.
He's on the top?
Right, I'm going.
He's got a sniper. He's got a pistol, and I have a sniper, and he's peeking.
He went down the hole.
Do you see where he is?
Not anymore.
I think he's going down the hole.
But
No.
all he had was a pistol.
I'm down the hole. I don't see him.
Well, he's not on any of the left towers because I was looking at both ladders. So he's either on the back
Oh, I
right.
see him. I see him. Oh my god. He's looking down the hole like a little bitch.
There really should be a rappel to get up there.
He really should be. Jerry, I'm gonna go up.
Alright.
Can you see him? Oh, I see him. I see him.
Go for
Dude, I
it.
fucking
Go,
see
go.
him. Ah! Fuck.
Did you go up?
I could see him. He was like on what side was he on? He was on
Try it
this
again,
side.
try it again, try it again.
Jerry, can you move a bit? I can't get up. Okay, there we go.
And distract him. Let me know when you're close to being up there.
Oh, he's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. Ah, bitch.
Okay, try again, try again. Try again.
Where'd the helicopter go?
Hey, Jerry, move a bit. Okay. You
I
see a shadow, Jerry?
Yeah.
You see him? He's there. He's there.
Keep going a bit further. Maybe I can see his head.
I can see him. I can.
Wait.
He's on the back side.
Yeah. Wait.
Oops. I meant to hit Alt. Sorry. He's on this side. Oh, he moved a bit. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. Oh, he's on. Oh, he's on the back side.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Wait, Jared, get me.
Okay, I'll get you first. Oh no, he killed himself.
That's great.